Think Positive!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
part.
Oo. Muna yung urong. Ayan. Dito na kami. Tapos puntahan mo na lang. 2 malt, tsaka 6 ano? No. Wala na yata pa.
Hindi, magana siya.
Yung unang binigay, yung nilagyan niya. Ayan, dyan. Op, dyan. Lapad. Hanggang ano lang yan, sigurado. Hanggang sa may aircon lang sigurado. Diyan. Lalagay ko naman lahat dyan. Parang magkukulang, ano?
Isa?
So, ayan. Sumakit ang ulo ni Inday. Pumasok na. After natin magbiyahe, parang sumakit bigla yung ulo ko. At habang binibidyoan ko si Mr., ayun, nagumpisa na sumakit talaga yung ulo ko. Kaya hindi ko na nakayanan. Tapos yan, kinukuhanan ko si bunso niya. Hindi niya alam. Yung cellphone lang ang nakasilip. Kasi nga, bigla akong narinig, parang may tubig na umaagos, sabi kong ganon. May umaano sa kusina. Ngayon pala, yan, nanghuhugas ng plato si bunso. Nakita niya, katambak yung ano, yung hugasan. Tsaka alam niya, nakahiga ako eh. So, yun, nakakatuwa naman. Hinugasan na ni bunso. Yan, gandang gabi.
Mushi-mushi! Japanese noodle.
Yung dinner namin ngayon, nawala na pala yung sakit ng ulo ko. Nakapagpahinga na ako.
Nakita na ako eh.
Okay? Mag-basketball si Mr. After namin bumili ng stove. Ayan. O, diba?
Tingnan natin yun.
May egg pa. Noodles lang kami ngayon. Yung binili pa ni Bunso to yan. 2 piraso na lang pala yung natitira. Si Bunso yung kumakain doon. Nasa kusina. Ito pala yung siomay natitira yan. Sinalang ko na rin. Tsaka itong tinapay. Pandesal. Yan na lang. Last na lang. May susawan tayo doon. So, yan. Dito kami sa theater kasi nanonood kami ng nakakatawa. Oh. Yan o. Nakalapag lang kami ni Mistero. Diba? Oh.
Japanese.
Japanese style.
Japanese style noodle.
Oh. Kain kami rito. Hindi ko na ilagay yung mga stone. Sakit ng ulo kasi kanina eh. So yan, kain po tayo. Yan muna yung vlog natin. Maraming salamat. Kita-kita na lang tayo sa mga susunod na videos. See ya! Si Mr. kumakain na.